In this video, we will look at how to install ESXi 6.0 using the Intractive Installer. To install ESXi 6.0 using the Intractive Installer, first you must insert the ESXi Installer CD or DVD into your CD/DVD-ROM drive or plug in your bootable USB device. Once the installer has loaded, you will then be presented with the installer welcome message. Click Enter to continue. Read and accept the End User License Agreement by clicking F11. Next, select a hard disk on which to install ESXi and press Enter. Select your keyboard layout and click Enter to continue. Next, you will need to specify a password for the root user account and press F11 to begin the installation. The installation process takes several minutes to complete. You are prompted then to reboot the system. Once the system begins to restart, ESXi will then start loading. The next steps will be to configure the host networking and perform some basic administration tasks. This concludes our look at how to install ESXi 6.0 using the Intractive Installer. For additional tutorial videos, be sure to subscribe to the VMware KB YouTube channel and our blog. Thank you for choosing VMware.